What's up, everybody? It's your bestie, Lu Jie. How do I say some popular English phrases in Chinese? Linnet Chinese is here for you. Why are we appreciating the fish today? Imagine when it's your first day at a new school, or when you're new in a group, you feel very uncomfortable. You feel like you can't breathe, like a fish out of water. So our phrase for today is a fish out of water. A fish out of water in Chinese is 格格不入. 格格不入. To pronounce 格 is like this G sound plus this schwa sound. So 格格. And 不入 sounds like the word blue. 不入. 格格不入 in English is a fish out of water. Now let's take a look at these following examples. You're invited to a party, but you knew no one there. So, 你感到格格不入. I've never been to a fancy restaurant before, so when the waiter is taking my order, 我看起来格格不入. Here's a fun fact. When we're trying to say that you fit in a new group so perfectly, like you can breathe, and you feel something is so easy to do, like you're naturally good at it. In our Chinese saying, we also have this fish in it. It's fish in the water. 如鱼得水. For example, saying Chinese for me is 如鱼得水. For example, I'm a people person. When I'm invited to a party, I can fit in so perfectly. 我觉得自己如鱼得水. That's it, everybody. Did you get it? 你学会了吗? Bye.